Hello out there to you. In this video, we're going to figure out how to make a demand curve from a demand schedule. So a demand curve or demand function is a formula that tells us if I have a certain price, what's the quantity I'm going to get from that, right? So that we can already just read this from here, but this is linear, so we can figure out how to model this. So it'd be like price equals something times Q plus whatever the most they're willing to pay is. So there's some sort of coefficient that I have to figure out that's right here. And that's like the rate of change here in the quantity. And actually, as the price goes up, this value is going to decrease. So this is a negative value. You just need to figure out what that is. Plus the most that we're willing to pay. So the most they're willing to pay, which is where like the demand curve stops. If you put a 0 here, we follow this down here, the most they're willing to pay is 80. So if the quantity is 0, the price will be 80. Okay, now we just need to figure out what the rate of change here is. So you can see we're changing. So it's the rise over the run. Okay, so if we kind of model this, we have a line that looks like this. Price is always going to go on the y-axis. Quantity goes on the x-axis. We know that this is 80. We also know that the end of the demand curve where the price is 0 is 320. So from here to here, the rise, and it's a negative, so the negative 80 over 320. This is negative 1/4. You could say it that way, or you could say 0.25. So that is the linear demand function or demand equation as this problem is looking for. So this problem would be price equals negative 0.25 Q plus 80. So for